Good afternoon. It's the 6th of February, -15, and it's been snowing all day. So I'm just going to do this quick video on a product that my friend Jeremy's just made, and I think it's a great one for everybody in Land Rover land with a Defender. What is it? Well, it's a coloured knob here, so that you can tell when it's hot or cold. One of the biggest problems with Land Rovers is they had both black knobs on and somebody doesn't know if the heater's hot or cold. Well, I say heater in a sort of a vague thing, it's like a warm air blower. But now you can visibly see where it is. Now these are a great little product, cheap as chips, and for you guys in right-hand drive trucks, it comes with the right-hand drive version as well. I think they're a fantastic idea, you know. Considering if you haven't got one of these knobs, if you've lost them, these are £14 each from Land Rover. But like I say, I'll put the link below because there's different versions, well not different versions, there's left and right, and I think you can get a packets of 2 or 3, so if your mates join together and get one of these things, you'll see it'll be the same price in shipping. That's good, isn't it? So I think it's a great one. I'm going to leave it on Jeff's car, he'll be over the moon with that, and we'll catch you later. Ta-da!